Good day, my dear 5th class students. I'm Naveen, your English grammar teacher, and today we are going to discuss articles. Students, this is chapter number 6. As we have already discussed articles in our previous classes, but still we are going to revise few more steps and few more healthy tips that we can use and make our English perfect. Okay. So students, first I'm skipping this part. This is actually a letter. A letter is being written by Parul to her grandmother, and there are some mistakes. It's been asking that there are some mistakes and we have to find out what are they. But before attempting this activity, I want you to take a close look here. I want you to first try to understand the definition. It's very simple, as we have already done this before. An article is a word that defines a noun as specific or non-specific. Remember students, these lines, these words and lines, you can say, are very important for us. Okay. Articles. What are articles? Generally, they are, article is a word, a kind of word that defines a noun as specific or non-specific. Right students? It means आर्टिकल का काम होता है नाउन को डिफाइन करना कि वो स्पेसिफिक है या नॉन स्पेसिफिक है. Without articles we cannot make a proper sentence. Right? So students, there are some tips that you need to take forward or notes. As you can see, the English language has two types of articles. The first one is indefinite articles and the second one is definite articles. Indefinite articles are used to refer non-specific or unparticular nouns. These are A and N, for example. Alright students, so A or N जो हमारे articles हैं, that comes under this kind of category of articles, right? So indefinite articles, A and N, and why we use them for a non-specific or unparticular nouns, right? I would like a new fountain pen. It means that I want to get a new fountain pen. It does not matter what kind of fountain pen, but any fountain pen. It means non-specific or non-particular pen we are talking about here, right? And in the second situation, when we are using definite article, the difference between it is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. This is the article the. Remember one thing, we use the article for specific or particular nouns. It means we are using definite articles. So students, the example is like this. My brother bought the best fountain pen for me. Try to understand here. My brother bought the best fountain pen. It means one kind of what kind of pen it is? The best quality pen, right? It has the best quality. So it means there are many fountain pens, but my brother got me the best one. It means the pen is very specific, right? So that's why we have used the article. Let's move children and try to understand few more steps here. We use A and N before singular nouns. The can be used for both singular and plural nouns. Like, read these examples, you will get some ideas. We saw an orangutan at the sanctuary. One animal. It means what kind of animal? I hope you are aware about orangutan. One manush आप कह सकते हैं हिंदी में, right? Basically they are wild animals. So we saw, what kind of animal we saw? An orangutan at the sanctuary. One animal. हमने एक देखा, because we are using it for as for singular purpose, right? The second one, Madhuri wanted the same book I had. One book. It means Madhuri wanted the same book I had. Which book she wanted? जो मेरे पास भी है. So what kind of book is that? Particular book. That's why the same book, right? Did you like the sandwiches I made? Because I'm talking about what kind of sandwiches जो मैंने बनाई हैं. So many sandwiches, right? So for plural purpose हम the का use भी कर सकते हैं, और for singular purpose के लिए भी. आपको जो याद रखना है वो ये है स्टूडेंट्स, जो A और N आर्टिकल का हम यूज़ करते हैं वो हम singular nouns के साथ ही करते हैं. Okay? Let's move forward students. there are some other points that you need to take forward. We use a with words beginning with consonant sounds. We use n with beginning with vowel sounds. For examples, a university, although U is a vowel, but it has the sound of, it has the sound of a consonant sound. So it means we are using a dictionary, right, students? Let's move forward and try to understand here. An hour, although H is a consonant, as you can see here, but H is silent, so we are using hour. It means O, so it is silent, and the word begins with the vowel sound a. So hour, right? Is vowel sounds. So remember one thing: consonant sounds we use a, and for vowel sounds we use n articles. With uncountable nouns we can use the. For example, pass me the lemon juice for uncountable noun. Remember one thing we have discussed in our previous chapters, that kind of countable or uncountable noun. So lemon juice, you can see uncountable noun. So उसके साथ हम क्या use कर रहे हैं? The article use कर रहे हैं. In certain context, she is not used as in this sentence. So as you can see, the is not used as in this sentence. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is needed for lemonade. Here we don't have to specify which lemon juice, right? Because freshly squeezed ये अपने आप में एक फ्रेजल नाउन वर्ड है यहाँ पे, इसके लिए हमें किसी भी तरह के आर्टिकल की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, right? Let's move forward, students. We also use the when we have already mentioned the noun before. For examples, we have already discussed this. जब हम एक बार किसी noun को पहले अपने sentence में use कर रहे होते हैं, second time we use instead of that noun the for particular reason, for specific reasons, right, students? So we usually use the article before the following: ordinal numbers, the, third, the last. Remember one thing, when we are using ordinal numbers, so we always use the articles, right? Superlative degree of comparison, इसके साथ भी हम हमेशा the article का use करते हैं. Names of unique things, the moon, the sun, the sky. Names of nationalities, races and communities, the Africans, the Napoleons, the Nepalese, right? Names of countries that indicate that the countries are made up of many parts, the United States, the Netherlands, right? Name of mountain range and deserts, the Andes, the Thar Desert. Names of rivers, seas and oceans, the Pacific Ocean, the Brahmaputra. Names of many important buildings like the Charminar, the Gateway of India. Names of newspaper and holy books, the Hindustan Times, the Quran, right? So remember one thing, students, ये अभी जो हमने यहाँ पे देखे ये सारे हमारे स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट्स हैं, स्पेसिफिक नाउन्स हैं, इनके साथ हम द आर्टिकल्स का ही यूज करते हैं. दिस इज अ रूल दैट यू नीड टू remember. Okay, students, now we are reached on the exercise part. B exercise, I'm going to tell you first. Let's move to the A exercise. Students, this is your homework. Once you will watch the video, I want you to correct, where you feel that you should add an article, you can add it, and then we'll discuss. If you face any problem, you can text me and then I will discuss it again. Okay, students? So let's move to the B exercise. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. So students, the first one: do you eat banana every morning? Do you eat a banana every morning? So a banana. This is unique pair of spectacles. I really like it. This is the unique, because किस तरह के unique pair of spectacles हैं ये, right? So but that is why, because they are specific, so we are using the article. Dash Sahara. So अभी मैंने यहाँ पे डिस्कस किया, ये कुछ कॉन्टिनेंट्स हैं, कंट्रीज हैं, ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स हैं या रिवर्स हैं, उनके साथ हम द आर्टिकल का यूज़ करते हैं. तो सहारा अपने आप में एक यूनिक डेजर्ट है. सो द सहारा इज द लार्जेस्ट. और याद रखना, डिग्रीज के साथ भी हम, हाईएस्ट डिग्रीज के साथ भी हम द आर्टिकल का यूज़ करते हैं. फोर्थ वन, dash Guru Granth Sahib is the only book of the six. The Guru Granth Sahib. Remember one thing, this is, we are talking something specific, particular, so we are using the article. Okay, students, there are some more exercises, but first we'll complete this. My sister loves the sea. She is not fond of the mountains, right? So the mountains, it means we are using specific articles. It means we are using specific nouns here, so we need to add specific articles. I bought a dictionary last week. I kept the dictionary. So first a dictionary and then the dictionary. Students, there are some more exercises. I will share these exercises with you very soon in your class group. So till then, thank you for watching the video. I want you to revise the paragraph, revise this chapter again, and take some idea from the chapter. Okay, students, thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and like and share also. Thank you.